Boom. Hello there. Yay!
Wow, I'm not cute. You. Wee! This is illegal. Wow. Hi, Eugene. Hi, Reddy. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Spec. Hi, Dachi. Hundalach. Hi. Oh. Always has been. Wah. I changed the maid outfit. Why am I sitting so low? I don't. What? I don't get it. I changed the maid redeem to be pricier, to be for bits, and I hope that my bot will recognize it. Because I definitely don't want to miss it when people are paying for it. But hi. How has everyone been? Wah. And like that she was saying that I might be a hot dog today. Music were loud, it is drowning you out. I can change that. Okay. Better? I hope it's better. While milking glitch for bits? Nah, I would never. It just was very annoying when it was happening all the time, so... And Twitch added a feature where I can have custom bit redeems, so... Perfect, good. uh... Uh... Okay, can you hear me and see me? Is it reconnected? What's going on? Huh. Can you guys see me again? Okay. Hi. Hi. Huh. I don't know what happened. Okay. That's weird. Okay, like my internet gave up. It's weird. First stream here and there is already scuffed. That never happened to me before. I have no idea what's going on, but yeah, like because food, don't fiddle too much, okay. Wow. The command's spin is my in-game name, so just TomTam. Or Tom, whatever, it doesn't have to be the complete name. Q. Checky, I didn't pay their internet bill. Oi. Right. Let me... Boom! Wee! Okay, wow. I'm causing chaos. We... Okay, let me fix my setup again, because the camera is absolutely tiny and I can't see anything on it. Okay. Sorry for the jumpy camera there. Wee. Wah. Okay. What was I saying before it all crashed? Is this thingy connected? Did it fail? Is your Twitch command thing public? What, the chat? The chat thingy? That is in my public folder. in edits. No more maid outfit with treats. No more maid outfit with treats. Hi glitch. I need to. Yeah, like my whole like IP subsystem. My whole IP subsystem failed. What happened? Linux. Okay, client connected, so it should be working now. Or nor. Yes. Cargo. There. Run. Oh no, we need to deliver mates to glitch. It's for bits now, yes. Hi, Lupo. Just a bit of a jank. Cause, put on the maid outfit. What? You did? Sorry, it's just... I did not expect you to actually do it. And in the middle of me trying to fix stuff. But you go. I still don't have it. Automated. There, made. What? Hi. Glitch cracking the whip. Put on the maid outfit. I have no idea what happened there with the internet. I've never had bits, so I can't redeem it. Wait. You can't what? You can't escape the maid? Oh no. That's the whole reason why I made it pay. Like, wait. It was happening way too much. I still probably made it too cheap, but it's I don't want to just squeeze money out of you. Yeah. Hi. Okay. I think everything is running now. Maybe I'll tone it down if we behave. I always behave. What do you mean? Wow. You can't even see the skirt. Why? Why, Bugmaster? Why? The maid is wearing a collar? Oh, you don't like it. There. For... just so everyone knows what the commands are. What do Wow. Well, what will I use my 55k treats for now? I don't know. Just make Frooks put on the meal. Yes. Dance, monkey boy dance.
I like
Can I have
trains.
treats? I like trains. Can I have treats always? I really need to update this version of the avatar, or finally make all the outfits like snappable. Because this avatar has the bobbins broken. Because see, there's a bean missing. Where? What? What do you mean how? I have a question. Why don't you hook the commands board as a child of the camera? Have you broken beans? It's easy. I can show you. Why don't I? Because I would have to make a custom camera, and I didn't get to it yet. You know, there's a magic of Resonite. And I can. I'm growing. Where's the there? There it is. See, it's back because I can edit the blend shapes live, and I broke it and I fixed it on the new version, but this is an older version of the avatar, and yeah. The case of the missing bean. Yeah, it's there. Gonna start go on me forgetting sometime to put on the maid outfit more. Wow. Yeah. One more thing that I should update. Meh. Cleanup state value off. There. The merp should be merping now. Needs to be a merp there first. Yeah. Yeah. The merp triggers the merper. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Why is it so warm? Every time I put on the headset, I'm really hot. Like, but yeah, make sure your redeem effects work for the bits too. Still have some left over. It should. I have the thingy here, and I did update the bot to support the bit redemption, so it should work. But it's yeah, sometimes it's hot. Confirmed. Wow. I got a bit chilly here. Yeah, I'm stealing all the warmth. Can't redeem bits. Refund. Oh, I can't refund. Yeah, no. That's why I really need to make sure that if you redeem a maid outfit, you get a maid outfit. Because yeah, can't steal sometimes money. Wow. Wait, can't you redeem it yourself as a streamer? I mean, yes. But the timeout still applies for some reason. Because I said it that you can only redeem it every 10 minutes, and then I wanted to test it. It was like, hey, there is a cooldown. I'm like, yeah, like why? You just removed the cooldown while testing. Yeah, but I was I was working on it today before the stream, so you know, just typical software manufacturers and certification first. It's free, then it becomes a paid option. Software developers, man. Wow. You need to wear it at least that long, though. Yeah, I know. I do have the time on my overlay. I do check it. Meanwhile, we wipe coders are liberating software for free. Right, for free. Sure. And the thousands you spent on the LLMs don't count, right? Hi, Bumplar. Whee! Thank you for the sub. 3 months in a row. Ooh, nice. Thank you. Oh, I don't have my Spotify control in here because it crashed with the network stack. It's fine. Yeah. But well, right, I was talking that I joined a Caliph on his stream because the Resonite stream raided him. So I saw he was online, and I was like, "Ooh, I have goodies." So I joined him, gave him my chat thingy, and he was asking if I can make it like not just commands, but make it redeems or whatever. And I can't. That's why this thing exists, because I have my own solution for it and my own WebSocket thingy.
Drink water, you
drink water?
dehydrated bitch!
Where's my water? So I will try to decouple the Resonite integration from my bot, make it its own crate, and open source that so people can use it. But it's going to take me a bit. Okay, water. Where's my drinks? There, I have drinks. We were talking about that stream last night with Glavin and him. It was a lot of chaos. I caused a bunch. I caused chaos. I could not share it. Okay, it's in my public folder. If anyone wants my chat, it's in my public folder. If you don't have my public folder, there is a link on my website or in my world. That's usually open, so you can grab it here as well. Right. I keep getting distracted. I need to drink definitely water. It's mostly water, right? So it counts. Imagine hopping on Resonite and not causing chaos. I know, right? Drink your energy. Oh, that as well. But this is. Puppy on speed. Stick drift. Also, I was talking with Lupo, and I'm going to steal a bunch of ideas from his Twitch streams. Yeah. I mean, I would never steal. I'm going to take inspiration from his work. Yeah. I mean, I already kind of did. There is already a puppy brain command that I stole directly from him. But I had to implement it in Rust, so it's like, you know. Wow. And if you do !help, it will give you all the bot commands. Yeah, I did say the thing. I know it's not the most readable thing ever, but not much I can do with Twitch chat. Well, he still got rolled a 15. I mean, that's still a decent roll, right? Are you kidding me? Does the puppy brain reference the Rust code? Why? That's. I tested it. Where did it go wrong? Why? Yeah, because it doesn't. Because it will increase the puppy brain counter. That's a separate system. project. It should be an easy fix. Sometime. Source chat commands. Commands. Puppy brain. There. Okay. Tom broke a thing. Yeah. Okay. Now it should work. There was a reference to the wrong function, but the puppy counter did go up. So, yeah. See, the counter did count, and then now it works. Why? Because the implementation is so similar to the Rust one, I just copied it, and the reference to the Rust function got left behind, and I'm like, ah. But now it works! Yay! Also, with the bot like announcing itself, which I think it's kind of cool, but for testing, I added a flag to the system that I can just do -q and it will just shut up and don't say this. Because if I'm testing stuff, I like at some points I had like 20 messages like this in the chat. If someone is watching the offline chat, sometimes it's crazy. And I think Glitch even got more for his bits than was intended. 12 minutes, yes. Wow. Ooh. 67. Nice. The rolling is like completely useless, but I could do it, so I did. Yes, it's really warm in here. Okay. Oh, is it? Yeah, I think I can switch. I made a burp. I made textures for a burp, and he's small. It's a small burp. Wah. I mean, originally I made him more like gray, like my other avatars. But then I made him this beautiful yellow. Mm-hmm. The 3-finger burp, yes. Because I got. How do people live with wings? I got Substance Painter working on Linux, so I was messing around with it, and this is like, this is a free base that I just have the files for. So I was just messing around making the textures, and since I made the textures, I imported them. This guy. Wow. Can I please burp very high? Ooh, let me know how you got it working. Whee! How I got it working? Someone on the Linux meet gave me a link that acquire wings for self-uppies. Yeah. Well, I have the Linux, like the Steam version for Substance Painter supports Linux, So yeah. Wah. Wah. Hi, Nyman. Wee. Wah. Touch the beans. Touch the beans. I got the legit version I want to get working. Yeah. I didn't say this, but I'm never paying for Adobe. Did you get the color picker working in Substance Painter on Linux? I got everything else working. I mean, it works fine. I don't know. Yeah. So far, everything. Oh, mine's pre-Adobe. So far, everything on it works. So, yeah. I even managed to like edit the textures for this avatar that I edited on a totally legit copy on Windows, and it just works. So, yeah. Mwah. Oh, I wish I had face tracking. Mwah. Also, I ordered a thing. I don't know if I talk about it because I didn't stream Resonite in a while. Let me find a picture. I got also sometimes wow, no, Lupa cute. Can someone are there mods? Shout out Lupa for me, thank you. No, just the dogs. Hey, nah. I bought a thingy. Shout out Tom on my own channel. That's not how that works.
I don't care what gender you are. Put on the maid outfit.
See, it worked. But you did wait. The audio worked, but it didn't pop up on the screen. No, that's all right. Get away with not having shoutouts. Wow, they were here earlier. Yeah, there. Yeah, I kept getting distracted, just making sure the readings are working. You need more mods? I have 3. Do I need more? I'm just gonna make everyone a mod. That would be a bad idea. This is an e-ink display, like an e-ink. I could swear that song played already. It's an e-ink badge. It's like a con badge. You could make me a mod. Surely that would not result in more bullying. See, Dutchie's here. Yeah, it's running on like basically a Raspberry Pi Pico 2 on the RP2350. And it has a built-in Wi-Fi, a real-time clock, a battery, charging circuit. It has 5 buttons on the front, and I read not always watching with audio. And it's all open source. It's hackable. You can do anything with it. It's great, and it's on the way. I really hope that it arrives before Chester because I really want it. But I will have to make like a black and white, badge. So make a picture of my Sona and something. But wait, I said I had Pico. I lied. It's a 0. I have the Pico ones. I have like 3 or 4 Pico ones. Sometimes needs a nerd command for when they turn down, and that would play nonstop. So basically, I can do for people who don't want to give money to Amazon. So it's, I think it's like 3 inches. The screen is something I don't remember. It's small, but you could. I mean, it's high tops. It's open source. You can put whatever on it. So you could even make it a reader. Like you can have it just standing on your desk like this and have a dashboard if you wanted to. Sometimes it's only 3 inches. Note it. Wow. I mean, it's what I'm looking at. What is that supposed to be? It's an e-ink con badge. I'm trying to get a sound and free sound is down. Oh no. Making 3 inches. Oh. Why am I shrinking? I just, it's so cool. How can you not nerd out about it? And it's open source, not just the software. The hardware is open source. I need it. Really? Really? Wee.
Bam.
Wow. Wow. Reset would be good, yeah. I do got a ESP32 board with e-ink display on it. My e-ink display on it. Can one join you? I mean, probably. It's you can, not everyone. If you want to, there is an invite. But beware, Chad has control over you in this world. Yeah. Why am I so small again? Quick, everyone, join sometimes. Reddy can't join because Reddy still has internet issues. The good thing about the black and white display is that TomTom address is as a picture on it. It won't be too different. Wow. I'm small. I mean, yeah, if I just take a picture, put this picture as a put this on the badge, easy. Puppy joined and I don't know where they are. Wah. But yeah, it's really a really cool thing. There is the puppy. Hi. Where are Chan Chan and Hazel? I don't know. Hundelach is being mean. I mean, not right now actively, but he's generally mean. Yeah. Connect the cable and it doesn't want to identify the network. It just knocks out the entire router for everyone else in the household. What? Huh. Hi. I have a camera control in your face. Link the badge to your chat so we can control the image on it. Hmm. I mean, it does have Wi-Fi, so I could. The goober mean? Never. Always. The goober is always mean. But yeah, I'm kind of. I'm happy that the bot worked and that.
I like trains.
Well. Where did it go? There it is.
What?
Where? The board. I was holding it when someone said when Lupo ran me over with a train. Wah. But that thing works, and when mate outfit is redeemed, it actually plays the sound. Wah. Okay. Wow.
Oh,
How are you?
doing well.
Good. I could keep nerding out, but Top's got the boy kisser. Wow. Now we just need to get Lupo on Resonite and yeah. Convert everyone to Resonite. The keenest tracking looks weird in Reso.
It's Avatar Portal.
It's not even tracking. Yeah. But the IK is getting reworked, so that will get better. The IK is different. Fucking get in Resonite, official Resonite marketing team. Yes. Fucking get in Resonite. Our touch and reading, we are looking up your script. Well, what? Wow. Wow. That's because you made me small. There. Main outfit is 10 minutes. Okay, so I can change avatar. Wait. Whee! Get rid of the imposter. Why do I have a skirt? It's bigger than me. Come on. Where's the collider? Wah. Wah. Wow. I need to add the change avatar because I didn't notice it on there. I need to add a sound to it. At least like a pop or something, like a generic sound until I make a proper one for it. So I notice. Okay, I need to sit down. It's so hot in here. Wait. Wow.
Wah.
Wah. Why is it so hot? I mean, it's all your fault because my PC generates too much heat when I'm in VR. It's crazy. What is the bubbles? That's bubbles. Nope. Nope. That's it. It's gonna bite off your finger. Wah. Wah, wah, wah. All right, you don't hear my music. All right.
I also don't see the camera view.
Hmm?
I also don't see the camera view.
No?
No.
Should be able to. Wow, I got stick bucket. Oh. Okay, now you should be able to. Wow. Getting stick bugged. Wow. I'm dying. It's so hot. Me. Why is the burp always looking like? Why are you booping my chin? Good boy. But I'm a burp now. Wow. Wow, he's still screaming. Wah. Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah.
Wah. Creature to creature communication. No. Wow. Wow. Right. Puppy brain. Wee. I really don't handle heat well. I should have played something on the 2D screen, but I really wanted to get into Resonite again. Wee. When I get hot, my brain shuts down. Wah. Yeah. I do want to work more on the bot and stuff, but I was thinking about streaming me working on it, but that's such a niche thing that like basically no one would be interested. I don't know how to make it interesting. So I was thinking that if I work on it for longer, I might just stream it on Discord. Yeah. I should be using the Discord more. There are people there, and there is a still Vintage Story servers are still active. I mean, they're still running active. I don't the modded one is active. The vanilla. But I should do more on Discord. I have no idea what I'm doing with Discord. It's like, eh. A store button. What? What? What?
I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
Okay. Vintage store by Norps. I'm confused. I was going to say something. Yeah, I can't believe it's Chessfair starts next Sunday. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. But I still have to go and buy some shirts and stuff because yeah, I don't think I have enough shirts. Why? And I hate I just hate shopping for clothes. Rezo chest. It's not a chest fur. It's chest fur. It's like Czech, you know. Road trip stream. Wow. It's the bird. Hi. I have 8 shirts. 4 are black. I might have more than 8, but most of them are black. It's the burp. Point at the bird. Hi, how is decoy? I am bird. Thank you for noticing. Yes. Why, Poppy, your gate won't connect? Chest fur, checks makes all the same. Wow. I'm putting off editing vertical video. Oh no. Procrastinating. Why is my gate not connecting? You mean... What? What do you mean? Dialing gate? Oh. Yeah, because the session is private. Maybe you don't have gate insurance? No, I definitely don't have gate insurance. Sad gate noises. Yeah. I don't trust people to just let anyone in the session. So the session is context plus and hidden. So no gate connection. And the puppy is back. Yeah. People would cause chaos. I can't have that. Why won't you have more people join so that they can distract you? Eh. Speaking of more people joining, Longmaster is on the way. Making me do it the boring way? Yes. It's not my fault that the gate works this way. Watch out for the puppy, they will steal your camera. They haven't so far. The camera survived the puppy. How do I do SQL injections but in Rust? What do you mean? You want to SQL inject my bot or something where safely? Yeah. How do I do tetanus injection? You It's a bird. It's a bird. Wow.
It's a bird stream now.
Yeah, we are all no more puppy. Burp.
Burb. You burp.
That's a weird looking burp.
Is burb. Confirmed. think I'm still too big.
No, this
Bird
bird is
sized.
just small.
Banana smoothie bird.
Can someone give me a bet? Bro, you look like a banana smoothie.
It was Decoy that said it.
Wow. What's wrong? It's yellow. It's good. Yellow's pretty, okay? I'm gonna bonk the bird next time I see him. See them, whatever.
Oh no, bird.
Look like you work at Best Buy. Wow.
Banana smoothie is one thing, but Best Buy, wow.
Yeah, bananas are at least good.
Wow.
Wow.
Also, my cat's behind me going meow.
Bird looking like a cushion with floor sign. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Why is the bird so mean?
I don't know. Maybe the bird woke up angry.
Birds is mean.
Wait, birds always wake up angry.
These are forms of endearment. Yeah.
I hear them outside in the mornings. They sort of like wake up and they're like, "Fucker now!" Ah! Ah!
Get hit with the
That's birds every day. And there's my cat mowing in the background. Wow! Ah! Wow! That's what's happening here right now.
Birds are just like,
This
I'm
is
awake now,
regular.
and so are you. I'm awake now, and I'm making it your problem.
Why have to get up this early, so do you? Fucking hell.
Wah. Okay, well.
Ree! This is one particular bird that sits on top of a tree going, Ree!
Ree! That's just me.
Ree!
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 I usually
It's a tick.
sit on a tree and just go, Ree!
My cats are sitting next to me going, Meow! He wants out, but he's not allowed. Meow!
Yeah.
Ree!
Ree!
Meow!
Your music taste makes me want to set up my drums again. Wow. Do it.
Decoy just sits on the edge of the tom and just pecks at it.
I like my power metal, okay? Yeah, it's good.
Wow. I need a tom drum. Oh, there's a tom.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, it's like the joke wrote itself.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
What? Oh no!
I like
beans.
Dragon Metal, which is a genre I made up. The song that plays when you summon a dragon. Dragon Metal, yeah.
I like how it's even got the button, the button mechanisms inside.
Yeah.
Wow.
We need a pool noodle to defuse the pointy beak. Just stick a chew toy to it and there, safe.
Bird brain activated.
Mwah. But like Emerald Sword and look at really? That doesn't ring a bell.
Don't know what Bird's talking about either.
I'm guessing it's to do with the music, but I don't know. Dragon Metal, yeah. Speaking of Dragon Metal, I haven't seen Arrow in a while. No dragons here.
Regulation me.
There is a bunny behind me.
Wow. The boy kisser.
The music that plays when you summon Arian. Yes.
Yeah, where is Error? And the
Ah.
other one. Why are we
The
terrible
other one.
names? I'm terrible with names. It's not my fault. I got headbutted. Wow.
Yeah, and get petted. The other one. It's so funny.
I'm terrible with names. It's not my fault. I don't mean it terribly.
Wow.
Skirt.
You. How dare you? How dare you? No, no skirt. No.
Always skirt. Arch.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, I don't care what gender you are. Put on the maid outfit.
The voice of law. Grumble
And I
dog
thought I would
noises.
prevent this when I made it bits. Wow, glitch. Thank you for the bits, but
Meep, 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 meep. Oh, wait there.
yeah, there is a map. And
This is less
that
than the
avatar
screen.
now has like 3 skirts on him.
Yay.
Do you feel like have them stack up vertically?
Yeah, they always get put on the same position on the hip bone, so yeah.
Wow.
I think whatever, it's one of the bones. Skirt per toe.
Toe skirts.
Yeah. I mean it has 3 toes on each foot, so needs 3 more skirts.
Yeah, you could put them on have them you could do anything.
How do I restart the bunny and then it crashed?
Ding ding bling ding bling.
Lord of Bongs. Yeah, that the Lord of Bongs.
It's Baplar. No, the bird avatar, you could have like ankle skirts. Ankle skirts on the bird avatar.
Wow. Assorted words. Hey, people. People are here. Wow.
Wow,
No,
there's people
Ew.
here.
No, people are you. There's creatures in
Why
here.
am I standing like I need a pee? No. Oh, no.
Maybe you do.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Wah.
Well, this will probably be less of a thing when the new IK system comes in. Snip, nip.
Yeah, we will be able to set up what's it called? Like the limits on the bones, whatever. Creatures can be
Hey.
people.
Creature.
Why would you say that? No, people are you. Creatures are cool, and vice versa. Imagine needing to pee and then getting yeeted. Damn.
Yay, tea. I could do with a tea.
Suspiciously 2-gallon lemonade tea-shaped bong master. Why am I so full? Wah.
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 Oh no, who could click the merp?
Who clicked the burp?
Wow, imagine having clickable
Ow.
things.
Yeah. Everything's clicking. Including-
What?
What? Including the puppy. Where did the
Wow.
Ah.
Go away.
Already
They
eated
suddenly-
the bunny.
Bird.
Mwah.
What I got? Differented. I bettered. Recovered.
More clickable stuff.
Arch by the way. Arch by the way. Arch.
Yeah, speaking of Arch, can people stop attacking the AOR, please?
Yeah. Just because you're
It would be-
jealous.
Would be really nice if you didn't do that. Thank you.
Yeah, we kind of need that for wholesome purposes.
Right. That sounded my
No, I
arch.
actually
My
meant the
arch.
arch.
Oh.
By the way.
Resonite users when they see a static object. What if it was bouncy and loud? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like when Frooks spawned this like deep dish pizza, I just said it's not wiggly enough, and Frooks made it wiggly on
Frooks
the
has the power.
spot.
That's the power of Resonite. That's
Yeah.
cursed Wrigley. Was that did Frooks scan a deep pan pizza? Pizza. Words.
I think so. I don't know. Frooks spawned it. I complained that it's not wobbly enough, and he made it wobbly, so I saved it. But yeah. For me, people, collections of persons and sentient creature with whom I could reasonably hold a two-way conversation through speech, text, or other conversation methods. That's a good definition. Yeah. Oh my god!
Whip,
Wow.
whip, whip,
It's-
whip, whip. It's a
Frooks did
pizza
that.
jellyfish. Whip, 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 whip.
Why don't
whip,
your good boy bonk not contain bones?
Whip,
Because
whip.
I tried that and it looks wrong.
Okay, that kind of filled the screen.
I think that's a
Whip,
Giordano's
whip,
pizza.
whip,
Eh,
Whip, whip.
if
whip,
it's a classic
whip,
Chicago,
whip,
that's fine.
whip.
Also with Europe's idea of deep dish pizza. I don't know.
Pizza Hut.
Wow. Where's any collider? There.
helping.
It looks like something Ziv might have in his collection. No, I have it in my collection. Ziv refuses to join Resonite, so he can't have it.
Arch.
Arch. People are a collection of persons. Resonite does not super collections, ergo Resonite does not have people in it. Yes, true. Yeah, you could. Flawless logic. Sus puppy, what do you mean? What? Huh? What did I do?
Oh yeah, very sus.
Resonite only has variety of the creature type. Yeah. If you think Pizza Hut is good pizza,
Creature?
that's fine. I will only silently judge you. Pizza. Did I have Pizza Hut? I don't think I had Pizza Hut. I had Domino's Pizza in the UK, and it sucks. It's ew. I never want to have it again. Ew. It's way too greasy. Why?
We've got an awesome pizza place here. Also, hi, creature.
Creature. Puppy has wobbly bone and wobbly pizza. Yeah, and my inventory has all sorts of stuff.
Arch creature.
Like this thing.
Oh, burn it. Burn
Brooks had
it.
pizza in Reno once, and I think his heart nearly
Burn.
stopped. In Reno. He couldn't finish it. Oh, I
Come-
think he
Come to
I
my
think he told
town
me
with
about
the
that
best
story.
pizza.
6, 7.
That's cursed.
Oh my god, 6, 7 is so delicious.
That's going to give you runny poo.
I got some sourdough starter already, probably making my pizza on weekend. Ooh, interesting. Around here, Domino's is decent, and Pizza Hut is the obnoxiously greasy one. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't really like that many pizzas. Like there was like all the like legit pizza places. I just don't really like the pizza. But then I went to like a kebab shop and ordered pizza there, and it was great. So don't take me seriously when it comes to pizza. No, when I say decent, I do not necessarily mean I would consider it good. Right. I haven't tried Domino's outside of the US and Asia. It's definitely conveyor belt pizza. I don't know.
Like we
wasn't-
don't
it
have
wasn't
Domino's here.
We don't have Domino's here either. I don't think.
I'd say we've only got. Well, there's one pizza place which is absolutely awesome. So,
Isn't there
Like
some
all the-
Domino's
but
somewhere
there are
here?
other pizza places that's not so good.
Mm.
But they're better than Domino's.
All the pizza that you can get around here is like the thin crust stuff that I don't like it.
Also, I think it's law that every Resonite stream needs a creature.
I mean, there's 3 creatures here, so yeah. Creature
Creature.
is the. It is.
Wow. Wow.
There's an Italian pizza place here run by the most stereotypical Italian man. He loves to yell "Bill," and it's awesome. Hell yeah! We had Domino's, but they all disappeared for some reason. Guess they couldn't compete with local places, right? They recently opened a McDonald's here in my town. I mean, recently it's been like half a year, but I was worried that all the like burger places and stuff would close down, and nope. McDonald's just sucks. No one wants to buy it. It's all the people that go there are like from the close by motorway.
The only thing that the McDonald's in town, which opened only a couple of years ago here, is it's the most northernmost one in Europe, or in the world, actually.
Huh. And like here in Czechia, McDonald's doesn't have any vegan or vegetarian options. So like I can't buy anything there even if I wanted to. McDonald's is not good. It's also not bad. It's consistent for nothing is open right now. Yeah. But like if I went in there, I could get Coke and chips. There's nothing else on the menu that I can eat. Like, ugh.
Burger King missed a trick by not being open at 7 in the morning.
I mean, it's not a place you go for burgers. You go there for maybe. I mean, yes, but yeah.
You go there for, why am I in town so early in the morning? I need to eat something. Oh, look.
I don't even know what the opening times are for it here. Yeah.
I think it opens at 7 a.m. here, or at least 8. No, I think it's open at 7, which is crazy. Burger King doesn't even open until 10.
I mean, if it opens that late, I might as well go to the normal shop. At 7 a.m.? Damn.
Wow.
Opening so late? Wow.
What, 7 a.m. late? 7 a.m. early here.
Tesco's open at 6.
Closed. Most things that open early open at 7.
Wow.
Basically, you get Tesco's.
Is it McRib season? Yeah, we've got Tesco's. Tesco's good.
Ribs. I've never had ribs. Well, I have had ribs. I didn't like them. Too much work for such
We have had all year
reward.
round here. Wow. You live in McRib City?
Bone with
Wow.
gash ends on it. Thanks. I really wanted a bone with gash ends on it.
German McDonald's is good. Like, it's not. I mean, it's not amazing, but it's still McDonald's. But they have the McPlant stuff. You can get McPlant nuggets and burgers, and it's good. I was basically living off that when I was at EM because there was a McDonald's close by, and yeah.
McTree bark when?
What?
Well, you can batter anything. You just like stick it in batter and deep fry it. McTree bark.
Wow.
Wow.
McRib isn't even remotely like actual pork ribs, which I'm sure comes as a shocking surprise. Wow. What?
I'm choking now.
Picking up tops and inspecting them by rotating them in my mind.
I can't pick people up. But if I could... Wait, can I be picked up?
I stole the puppy. Let's invert him. Still a puppy.
Wow. You need to do the traditional thing that Bird started.
What is that?
Show the camera.
What?
I have said too much. Ugh.
Wow.
I'm back. Squeak, 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 squeak. Where's the
Eh?
squeakiness? Squeak, 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 squeak.
Well, you hold it and then you press.
Oh, nothing's happened.
Is it desktopist?
Press what?
Well, for me it's trigger, so like
I'm pressing
primary.
left click. Nothing happening.
Nah, you
The
broke it.
bone, the bone
It doesn't like you.
me.
Yeah.
Wow.
I bet you were mean to the bone. It doesn't like you. Hey, Tom, can you stream for another 4 hours so I don't have to today? You can take my slot. Another 4 hours?
But we need
No.
Birdstream.
You should stream.
Yeah, Bird should stream.
Bonk the floppy bone.
Yay, floppy bone. That's not
There you
bad
go.
in any way, shape, or form.
You should. I am already streaming, so you start stream so I have someone to raid.
Yeah.
Stream again? Wow.
Floppy
Wow.
bone. Floppy bone. Floppy, 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 floppy bone.
What did I do?
I'm getting a bone on Twitch. Is this safe? Oh no, an
It's a
advert.
bone.
Good job I'm not watching stream right now.
I need to up the streaks. Wow.
Wow. Wobbly bone hat. We'll be back from ads soon.
Good boy, boned. Wow.
Wow. Oh, we need more wobbly things.
What? What did you...
We need more wobbly things. Look, here's block. Wobble, 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 wobble. I'm block.
Wobble,
Wobble, wobble, wobble,
wow.
wobble, 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 wobble. That's hold still. Hold still. Hold still. No, hold still. Hold still.
No.
No, hold still. Important. Blorp needs head for not that kind of head. Blorp needs a head to sit on. Hi.
Wow.
Blorp.
I'm flying.
Blorp's wobbly.
I have
It's okay,
I have
only
a,
stings for a moment.
I have a thing on my head.
And then you'll be fine. Everything's fine. Don't worry. It's all fine.
A weeble wobble with that disorder grammar. What?
There's Blorp. That's Benui's creation. Remember
Wow.
Benui? Wow.
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 What Benui?
Why am
What?
I a creature?
I don't know. It's fun to be a creature.
It is fun to be a creature. Is this grabbable?
Eh?
Is this grabbable?
I don't know.
It's not grabbable by default. How do you make grabbable?
Nose
It's
grabber.
not.
No. I don't have a grabber.
Wow. I have
Why? No.
How do we feel about Lunatic Rave 2 internet ranking going offline? First of all, I'm sad about this information.
I have no idea what Bird is talking
I have
about.
no idea what you mean. So that's how I feel. I had... Was it in here now?
This is what's good about being creature. You can peek up from the bottom of the screen.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. I had the grabbable thing somewhere. I don't know where it is.
Sad creature noises.
Um, yeah, I don't know. Can't find it. Wait. Where? Is it in the root of my inventory?
Could be anywhere in your inventory.
Yeah, exactly. It could be anywhere. It's somewhere about I mean, there is one here. I think.
What's that one? What does it do?
Makes you grabbable and scalable and throwable, I think. What do you mean you don't have intimate knowledge of early 2000s homebrew rhythm game internet culture? I don't.
Wow.
The creature is grabbable.
Hey,
I'm
Dave.
back on my Rise
Creature.
of Achievement grinding journey. Wow.
Drink water, you
creature now.
dehydrated bitch!
Drink water? Okay.
Drink some water, you dehydrated bitch.
Guys, he just called me a
Wow.
bitch. Wow.
Nah, 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 nah.
Mounts, get him.
Gasp. Wait, I'm just ears.
Just ears.
Yeah, no. Ah. I just wanted to peek up above the thing.
No.
Hey, now you can see both of us. Hello.
Why is there so much stuff?
What we need to do is build a wall out of boy kissers. And the only way to do that is by people redeeming boy kissers
I mean,
repeatedly.
you're usually the one redeeming all the boy kissers.
Yes. Other people need to redeem boy kissers.
I need to do more post-game Sunbreak stuff. I never really touched it after all the assigned quests, and I'm currently focused on making all my friends play Iceborne with me. Yeah, those were words. It is just 2 dots. Comment-wise, Sunbreak is legitimately my favorite MH game. Okay. If you say so. I have no idea what game that is.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Wow. Oh, my headset is dying. Oh no.
That's
The
crap.
battery is low.
Where?
Quick, Decoy, start streaming for raiding you.
Start now. We need a raid to target.
It's all gone wrong.
Monster Hunter. Okay.
Hunt monster.
Hunter monster. What? Where?
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
I should update this world again. It's a bit empty. I need grass or something.
I need
Can
tea.
I make the ground a fur shader?
You could.
Sounds like a great idea.
I mean, it would probably work.
I have to go back
Can't
and
you
give it
make a
another
procedural?
and like pricing channel from the fast checking.
What?
Oh, I don't. Wow. Talking about games I don't know.
Uh,
Wow.
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 We need a procedural grass texture thing. Material. Procedural grass material thing. Vegetation spawning.
It's just like taking instances of objects you like predefine.
Yeah. That way you got some like weird grayscale or whatever called cloud map or something, and then instead of displaying grayscale, it'll I'm inside the shrubbery which isn't touching the ground. Magic.
Because it was touching
It's grown
you.
on my head. Ah,
I'm Monster Hunter Autism Maxing, don't mind me. It's fine.
Wow.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
And it's back.
And it's back. Well, yeah, because you've got the brushes which can brush to paint the thing, but I think there's a game engine thing where you could just like paint a map and basically where the map has certain colors,
Right. Yeah.
certain vegetation.
You can do that for footsteps. Like footstep sounds.
Ooh, so if you can do that with footstep sounds, you should be able to
Yeah, I can understand the
jerry rig it for the other thing.
I don't know.
I don't know. I studied computer games development, and I wanted to be a game developer. I know surprisingly little about making games, other than I know like the low level stuff, like the engine stuff and that, but the visuals and everything, nah.
I know nothing.
Meh?
I know nothing.
Wow.
I just make 3D models.
I am a backend developer. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's why I like making all this. That's why my UI looks like this, but the bot actually works. It's like the front end but back end is fun.
Function over form.
Who needs a front end?
Yeah, who needs a front end?
Check this out.
A floppy.
Creature.
I think this floppy supports this one. Yeah.
Gasp. Now what are you gonna do?
This is what my peak UI looks like.
Beautiful.
Pink.
I'm a backend developer by trade, and I don't know the first thing about game design either, outside of the YouTube channels I watch religiously on the topic, like GMTK, Adam Miller, Rasputin. GMTK, I do know.
Script.
The rest doesn't really ring a bell. And I need to remember to put avatar protection on the burp.
Hi.
Because the base is free.
Howdy.
But yeah.
Dramatic pose bird. It's a dramatic pose noise. You can't see this, but it's dramatic.
Very, very dramatic.
Yes.
The tiniest picture ever.
So small picture. Hardly see. It's not as dramatic as from my angle. Let me see if I can get it from my angle. I can't do the hand thing.
Do Shift B.
Yeah,
Let me get a camera.
Shift B.
Shift
Backend
what?
dev best, yes. Shift
B.
Oh. And then, I don't know. Park.
What does Shift B do?
And takes a screenshot. A lot of my dev and language knowledge comes from rhythm game stuff, mostly modding and making translation patches. I got a raw deal. In terms of weaponized autism, there is never going to be a plane falling out of the sky that needs a Beatmania player.
You sure?
Maybe one day.
Help. Why can't I grab the camera? That's better. I think I was grabbing everything else. but the camera.
Am I? Let's see.
La, 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 la,
Is it
la.
going to work? This.
Ooh. Nice.
I am definitely a backend developer because I like even have the custom thingy that I can just show you my terminal because why not? That wasn't something that I was right. I keep writing stuff in Rust. This thingy, I there was an implementation in JavaScript
Node.
in Node.js, and I really don't like Node.js, so I made my own in Rust. That beat made his own in Rust as well. How did that go? Did you finish it? Yeah. So there is now 3 different implementations of this, and I think there might be more.
I'm sure there's more. I'm pretty sure Josh made his own.
Yeah.
But Josh supports resizing the window.
Hmm.
Action bird. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Action bird.
Just tip tap on their chest. Sure, that will help. Yeah.
I think there's something.
Yeah.
I'm standing in. Maybe I'm standing in your collision box or something. Because I wasn't able to pick up my camera.
No, it's possible.
Possible.
Well.
Armed with a camera, taking pictures of things. Do 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 do. Preacher.
Like this this thing is the main thing that I miss when I go into VR chat and to hang out with people because I can just take a picture. So it's so easy.
VR chat doesn't have things. Do 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 do.
And like you saw, we have the chat in world. I don't have to have an overlay open non-stop. There is a camera that everyone can see, like the preview of. It's great. So like streaming in VR chat, no. You can take pictures in VR chat too. You can also share them. Subscription required. I know you can take pictures in VR chat, but you have to spawn out a camera and then take a picture. In here, I can just boom picture.
Magic. Well, you're telling the marketing team about stuff that Resonite can do.
Yes. No, I'm just responding to the message. It's not just for Decoy. I know that Decoy knows it.
Decoy knows lots of things.
I'm selling Resonite to other people. I'm helping the marketing team.
Fucking get in Resonite.
Resonite
Official Resonite marketing team. Official Resonite marketing team comment.
Get into Resonite. Right now, everyone converts to Resonite. People are making fun of me because I keep bringing up Resonite, but it's like I'm making a bot with a Resonite integration. I wrote a WebSocket thingy for my terminal for Resonite. So like, if I talk about what I did, Resonite is going to come up. Magic.
True.
It's like magic. Magic to some, science to me. Magic. It's all magic.
Magic. I need to make tea and make a cup of tea and debrain.
The brain.
D-brain.
Good for you. You have a brain. Wow.
Wow.
Hogging all the brain cells.
Yes.
Does separate audio from camera work for you on Linux? No. I remember I had issues with that, but didn't look too much into it. No, me and Banana made a mod that kind of fixes it. It's still pretty janky, but no, it doesn't work.
Wow, mods.
Last I checked, it still didn't work. Yeah, I mean, it's working for me right now. The audio is coming from the camera, but I'm using a mod, and that mod is not perfect. But I mean, it works, kind of.
I'm gonna go now. My people need me.
Okay, get petted. Soundful, please. I know, right? I do. I do wish it worked, because yeah. Please, go upload that issue. It's an important issue. I already did. I would. I would. Hi, I'm in chat now. Wow. Well, I don't have the link. I'm not going to look for it now. Wow, another boy kisser. Tabs. What? You. Ah. There it is, Pats. Wow. No, you put a space in there. Meh. What were we talking about? Boy kiss a drink. I accidentally a space. You accidentally a space. Wow. I don't see my dashboard. Where is it? Okay. I'm getting distracted. Yeah. Also, right now at work, I have basically nothing to do. I gotta be off to make noms. Oh, okay. We'll probably not be done before you right out. Okay. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Cause this Monday and Tuesday there was like a event at work that people went off into some hotel and had fun, which I opted out of. And so I finished what I was working on, and now from today, for the next 2 weeks, I think my colleague is on holidays, so I won't get any code reviews. And after he gets back, I have my holidays. So yeah, there's nothing for me to do right now. It's okay, Tom. Can't raid out till Decoy starts stream. Ah, right. Decoy has to start streaming. I will find someone to raid out. Raid out to. Decoy is not a streamer. Are you sure? You sure? I could swear I saw you streaming, but then again, the notification told that you never go live, and I should ignore the notification. So, yeah, decoy is bird. Yeah, that is the decoy is bird.
Wow.
I usually have my Spotify music in the world here, but yeah, it crashed on me, and I didn't want to set it up again. If you don't stream, people will sad. Decoy bird ergo camera ergo stream ergo streamer. Yes. Whatever that meant, yes. Bird. Bird. Wait. A few people can be sad as a treat. Wow. Okay. Which version do I choose? Do I become a decoy or I'm a decoy? Wow, decoy's live. I wouldn't be streaming if it weren't for those pesky people who keep showing up and making me feel loved. How awful of them! Like, how could they do something like that? How could they? It's Bird. Hi, Bird. Hi. Hi. I do like equipping this version because now I'm decoy. I'm a decoy. Yeah. Making flags that swaps our name badges when we get close enough. Yes. Now you have to pick a creature up and say, check this out to make it official. It's a problem when I'm sitting down. Already way too close to the ground. Check this out. It's a creature.
Oh.
Oh, there's a table in the way. Wow. Respectfully checking. Analysis in progress. It's a cute puppy.
Uh,
Alright. Only in Resonite. Ugh. Only in Resonite. I love that thing. Only Resonite in what? Resonite is in what? I was joking today with Thrux, and we need I was telling him that like Vim is all you need because we were talking about IDEs, and he was like, but what about Resonite? So Resonite renderer in NeoVim? Why is macOS telling me my ARM64 Ghosty will no longer work because of Intel compatibility? I don't know. Are we gonna make a T? Yeah, make T. I've been saying this. We need Resonite TUI. Yeah.
There's like a bunch of variables here.
Huh. Interesting. Resonite render in Emacs when you no Emacs. NeoVim only. No, you know what?
I mean,
VI.
you can probably make a terminal output a video with PT protocol.
That sounds evil. We need to make graphics out of block symbols or whatever. Currently hunting Bob. I will not elaborate. Let us know when you catch them. When you catch Bob. Hmm. And like I wanted to come. Speaking of the Resonite renderers, I wanted to contribute to Renderite because it's written in Rust. I know Rust. I can help, right? But a renderer is by definition a very front end thing, which I'm not good at. So, yeah, I don't think I will be making any renderers. I don't know. Like the front end that I write for my like front end, it's all TUI. Like I have a whole like REPL style thingy for my bot. If I want to, I don't know who told me about it. Might have been you. That new shell supports SQLite.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I just if I want to check on the data that the bot stores, I just do it in new shell. I made a 3D renderer in college. That's when I knew I do not know how to make 3D renders. I did that as well. Yeah, I did render a triangle in uni. That was fun. It's much more backend flavored. It's see what you're saying? What? Is only like some of the complex math possible that also needs to run multiple times better than real time? Eh. I don't know. It's like I already have way too many unfinished projects. So like joining like helping with another one. Beautiful creatures called X eyes are messaging me. X eyes. Wow. What a throwback. It's missing a sound.
Is it coming from free sounds, perhaps?
I don't know.
It does down like an hour ago.
It should have that. No, I don't think there is any sound. It's just squish, but it's not like.
Let's see.
I'm going to do the same thing.
Annihilation.
Hmm?
This rot is called annihilation.
Annihilation. Wow.
But it also doesn't have a audio player.
Yeah.
Six, seven, oh my god, this 6-7 is so delicious. 6-7.
Num num num. Why is fruits? I don't know. You tell me. Yippee! Why is fruits? Good question. This transgression shall not be forgotten. What do you mean? I love the. I just love this thing. It's so good.
Seven is so delicious. 6-7. Oh my god, this 6-7 is so delicious.
Num 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 num. Wah. Alright. I'm going to 6-7 Brooks. Hmm. 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 If we ever meet up glitch, it's going to be so much chaos. Or no chaos at all, because we'll all be tired. But yeah. It's still Pride Month, right?
Yeah.
Awkward but chaotic. Yes. UST? Good. What tea? What tea did you make? There is a wrong answer. Tea flavored. Wow. Coward. Awkward but chaotic. That's like the definition of me. Awkward but chaotic. I feel like it's the same with fruits. So when you combine two awkward beans, awkward squared, and cute. Wow. Yeah, Frooks is cute. And so are you. Creature. Yes. Frooks is two awkward beans. Wow. Hi. Yeah, if you meet me on Resonite and I'm slow or not responding or whatever, don't take it personally and don't that I hate you. My brain is just currently not working. It happens sometimes.
No brain.
No brain. Yeah. I might be tired, overwhelmed, both, or distracted. Or all three at the same time. That's a perfect combination. Tired, distracted, and overwhelmed. Here's the little guy. That's Tops. He's here to look cute, pretty, and yeah. Puppy brain buffering. Yes. Very slow connection.
I did not spawn anything. I'm in Redx and I pressed the like next page button and just spawned. Oh.
I've been cheesed. Meanwhile, I have one brain cell, so I have no threading capabilities. Can only have one thought at a time at most. Yeah. I have.
Stop! You violated the law. Pay the court a fine or serve your sentence. Your stolen goods are now forfeit.
What did I do? Well, cheaps. I don't have multi-threading. I have. What is it like? Like cooperative multitasking, or what is it? No, it's like it is cooperative multitasking, but the tasks are not cooperating.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
Okay. Mwah. Sometimes you're good. It was little guy. What? I'm like a shadow. I can only ever hold 4 pieces of information in my head at any given time. Wow. Mwah. Oh, with the violated the law, right? I need to integrate that into the yeet command. I don't have multi-threading, bit shifting at most. Wow. Fancy. Dynamite. Well, whatever. My brain is not working. I'm slightly overheating. Hypix. Stop it. Stop breaking my glasses. No. When Birdstram. Yeah. Make it so they ragdoll character. Huh. There is some ragdoll systems. I need to look into that. That's a good idea. I'm stealing this idea. I'm putting it on my board. Wait. I haven't spawned this thing in a while. There, it's added to the board. And the funny thing is that like something on that board makes it so that it's a facet, and I can spawn the whole board in my user space. So I can spawn it out in my dash.
Each single comment
Probably.
is a facet before you hold it, right?
But because at least one thing on it is a facet, the whole thing is a facet. So, yeah. Wah.
Wah.
You can put the name after that comment. So like Tom or Tops or whatever. Said the same thing. Where? I would update it so it makes more sense, but one, Arian made it. 2, parsing strings in Resonite is a pain, so I don't want to do it again. Quick shout out. What? Wow. Wow. That's the wrong Tom Tam. No. No. Wah. You cannot shout out the current streamer. Yeah. Shout out Decoy then. Wah. I mean, shout out Decoy. Decoy is a good bean, but why are you suddenly shouting out people? Did I miss something? Can I eat the cheese? Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Stop shouting at me. Go follow Decoy. Didn't have the mods earlier. You have to wait 1 minute before giving. Use the shout out like the exclamation mark SO. That should in theory take care of the thingy. And shout out when it can.
Huh? But it went far.
Another thing that I stole from Lupo. Mm-hmm. Shout out Q. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow,
What?
wow. I don't like this part is kind of difficult to test, so I hope it works, but yeah. Because it like relies on Twitch API and yeah. Grow boy. Wah! Hmm. Wow, 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 wow. Chick is a bird. Is it a pack? Maybe. Hmm. What time was it? 1911. Might have failed. Uh, no, peck is when a bird is doing the kissing, not getting it. Right. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah, you shrink yourself. Yeah, I think I need to. I need to update the shout out thingy. It's definitely broken. But go follow decoy. Yeah. Follow bird. Yes. Follow the bird. Because the queue, it will check if it can, like, it will fail because it can't send another shout out because it's being driver follow the bird. Yes, it will fail because it's being rate limited by Twitch, but it will never try again. I need to tie it into a timer. Hmm. Now I'm thinking about how to fix the bot because I already do have a system that like has a timer. Whee! No nerding. Okay, I got it. Sometimes brain shutting down. Yeah. Wait, no, what? Go back to nerding. I already have a system that's like that calls a function or like on a timer, like every 5 seconds or whatever. So I just need to have a timer that will trigger and check the shoutout queue. I need to finish my Resonite link thing that properly imports HK Twitch emotes. Yeah. Having emotes in here would be nice. I only get the text.
Doesn't like official chat do it?
Yeah, it does, but it like makes a font on the fly from the thingy, and it was kind of a pain. I don't know. We were looking at it with someone and decided that we didn't want to deal with it at the time, and then never got back to it. Wow. Oh, there was no emotes in that because of the way the glyph it glyphs, so that only the Twitch interface can do it. So it's obnoxious. Yeah. It's just make a mod for it, maybe.
Wait. Let's just try something.
Okay. But I would rather not make another mod. Wait. GitHub issue. Fix the Twitch integration. But I mean, the fact that Twitch, like the integration in Resonite, like parts of it broke because of the API changing, it pushed me to get back into programming. So I mean, it's a good thing, right?
It escapes correctly.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't use the rich text. No. And also, it would be great if the text in Resonite supported like a background, because that would make making the WebSocket thingy so much easier. Me when my text is poor. Yeah. No rich text, only poor text.
Editing. That's ASCII art.
Yeah. Technically, there is a bit. I don't think there is. There is a, what is it, mark?
No, mark is there's no background, there's a mark. The problem is the mark is above the text, so if you wanna make like a green background, it's gonna be in front of the text, and if you were to make that actually mark doesn't take the usual colors, it only takes hex codes. And if you put the alpha wrong, it will fuck up tremendously.
Yeah, if you have it like 100% opacity, it will just cover up the text.
Yeah, this is team. Wait, I have to can't scale with my thing in my mouth. This is Tmax, and usually in Tmax there's like a bottom bar. It doesn't render it correctly.
Yeah, there is no text on there.
Yeah. So text is there, but it has a green overlay that's 100%, so that's why it's not rendering.
Yeah. But if that's ever going to change, I hear Storm screaming. You scream. No, like Storm is screaming. You scream. And my colleagues at work scream at me to use Tmux and never use screen. So yeah.
But T-Max lets me easily multiplex. Like it's multiplexing. I think it's multiplexing, right?
Yeah.
And like access it from two sources at the same time without breaking the other one.
What was I going to say? I got distracted by Stallman screaming.
Text rendering.
Oh right, if that text is going to change, it's going to change with the new renderer. So yeah. I love Tmux, and out of the 10 plus years I've used it, I still need a cheat sheet every time. Yeah. I mean, I do remember the basic stuff, and I have the default keybinds, because if I change my keybinds and then go to a server that has the default keybinds, I would have to look up the keybinds again, and they would be different from mine. So even though the keybinds suck, I use the default ones so I don't confuse myself. So I use the
Have you seen
Control
the
B
terrible
and
way?
percent
Sorry.
and
Have you seen the terrible way Tmux does its CLI?
what do you mean?
I made like this Tmux instance that's automatically set up. And yeah. It's a bash script. No, I don't it says RS, but it's a bash script, trust me. That's how it's set up. It's no too much pain.
Yeah. Well, for a while I did stop using Tmux because I kept changing computers and the config was different every time. And
I just don't change the config.
yeah, I only have a plugin in it that makes it work with my NeoVim settings config. So I have like multiple panels in NeoVim, and I have a plugin that allows me to move between the NeoVim plugins into Tmux and back.
Makes sense. Yeah, it will break.
But other than that, my Tmux config is like the default. So yeah.
Also, I don't know why, but for some reason this is like shell dependent. This command doesn't get executed.
This one?
Like the very last one is sending the command that's supposed to execute in the right side and doesn't get executed. I have to like manually execute it again.
Hmm.
And it's like shell dependent. So in bash it works, in new shell it doesn't.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, new shell does work differently, but this should still work in new shell.
I mean, running two commands, that might be why, but
I became italic or green. Wow, Hastel is becoming green.
Oh.
Can't spell execute without exe. Wow. What are the thoughts about terminals? Are you it ships with the OS and it work creature, or I must use XXX? I must use blank, and anything else is unacceptable. Somewhere in the middle. I use Alacrity, and I don't like console, like the KDE terminal. But I don't really care. Like if console is the only thing I have, I will use it. Like I'm not going to install anything just because I need a terminal. But if I'm going to work with it I will install Alacrity usually. I used to
Or
use
like-
Kitty, but it broke. Something on it broke, so I switched.
Other like KDE apps were great on KDE and kind of break when you take it out of them.
I really like Ghosty, but its determination to not be a standard terminal pisses me off more often than I never got around to trying Ghosty, because like everyone was like there was a huge hype like about Ghosty and like try Ghosty, switch to Ghosty, it's going to change your life. So I just didn't even try it. Wah, hi Macho. Wah.
Wow.
Yeah. I like. How's I'm good. Alright, just being a puppy. It's great until incompatible term session 1,000 times. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like if I SSH somewhere or something, it will sometimes just tell me or like not show colors and stuff because the terminal is not supported or whatever, and I'm not passing the correct terminal over to SSH and yeah. I like that in Kitty, I think you can just display images. Alacrity doesn't have like direct sprites. It has a support for some way of
Drink
displaying
water, you
images,
dehydrated bitch!
which is cool, but I don't really use it, so I don't care. Wah, okay, we'll drink water. Wow, my computer is warming up my monster. You. I use image review more than I thought I would. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, I don't have it stay hydrated, of course, always. I don't have it set up, so I don't use it. So maybe if I did get it working, then I would use it. But yeah,
And
it's
Kitty
funny
currently
'cause-
works for me.
Hmm?
Kitty currently works for me, and I would like integrate it with the automatic color scheme thingy, which is always a pain. So yeah.
yeah. I have my electricity sets with like 80% opacity and a blurry background. But if I take a screenshot of it and bring it in, it's transparent.
When you make a screenshot, you have to somehow make it fully transparent. Or how would that? No, I don't know.
No, it captures the
I know
window,
speak.
so the window is transparent, and
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. The blur behind it is not like part of the window. The window is just transparent, so the screenshot is transparent as well. I wish that like I could set spectacle to spectacle to just ignore the transparency. But yeah, it's funny when you get a
probably a way.
transparent screenshot.
I'm pretty sure Hyperlink it would just like, I don't know how Hyperlink does transparency. You might just like include the background.
I don't know. I am on Hyperland. No, no Hyperland.
What?
Yeah.
Because I know it includes the borders in the corners if you have rounded corners.
No, no Hyperland. What?
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know. I keep confusing the names of the different programs. Yeah, whatever. How long am I streaming? 2.5 hours. So, because I'm definitely overheating, I'm going to go looking for someone to raid, because the computer is generating a lot of heat. And the bird is not live yet. Decoy! uh... Yeah, let's go to this beam. Hot PC, hot puppy, yes. Let's go over to Dorito. It's been a while since I rated them. All right. So thank you guys for being here. It was fun. Glitch, if you're still here, you, I'm gonna bite you when I meet you. But thank you for the bits. Okay, and if any of you are not on my Discord and would be interested in chatting with all the other beans or joining my Vintage Story server, you can do !mod Discord and join there. If you want to see me yapping on other platforms or my blog that's not very active, you can go to my website, my website, and I will see you next time. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Wow.
Wow.
Hot graphics card in your area. Yes. Wow.
Wow.